November weather and the rain are returning to Texas. How long are they going to stick around this time? Let's talk about it in this Thursday edition of the Texas Weather Roundup. Good late morning. It is the 9th of November 2023. I'm Texas Storm Chasers Baldy and Chief David Reimer. Crashing the cold fronts made it through the northwestern half of Texas late this morning, and rain chances will continue along and behind that front as we head into this afternoon, tonight, and into Friday. The high resolution rapid refresh model showing the situation pretty well. It is going to be a wet day across the southeastern two-thirds of Texas as the front continues to march southeast, making it into the Gulf of Mexico and the Rio Grande Valley by late this evening. Rain chances will continue on Friday, mainly across southern portions of Texas into southeastern Texas, but we could honestly see some scattered light drizzle and showers all the way back up into the West Texas and the Panhandle as a relatively moist air mass tends to continue behind the front at times, and we see small perturbations in the upper levels move across the region, allowing for occasional precipitation chances. That being said, over the next couple of days after today, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the highest rain chances will be along the upper Texas coast, southeast Texas, the Golden Triangle, southwest through the Victoria Crossroads, the Coastal Bend, down into the Rio Grande Valley, the Rio Grande Plains, and deep south Texas. Another way to visualize that is the forecast rain totals from this morning through 6 a.m. Sunday. You can see the heaviest rain chances, the highest rain totals expected across those regions I just mentioned, but also up through the Brazos Valley, East Texas, into the Arklatex. Those regions could see 1 to 3 inches of rain over, well, really today, tonight, tomorrow. And then as we head through the weekend, the highest rain chances will be across deep south Texas, the Coastal Bend, southeast Texas, where we could see 2 to 5 inches of rain by Sunday morning. The potential for localized flooding definitely a possibility because of some of those heavier rain totals. As we continue through Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, an additional 1 to 2 inches of rain possible across the Rio Grande Valley, Rio Grande Plains, deep south Texas, with perhaps over 1/10 of an inch of rain possible across the southern half of Texas as we head into early next week. So relatively wet weather continuing with the rain chances today and tomorrow thanks to the cold front and an upper level storm system. And then as we head into Sunday and Monday, those rain chances possible thanks to a coastal low. Well, I guess technically yes, but a area of low pressure spinning up in the Gulf of Mexico that'll eventually make its way towards the middle Gulf Coast out by Mississippi and Alabama, bringing them rain chances. Temperatures over the next 5 days as we continue through this afternoon. Here are the high temperatures through the afternoon, really. Actually, the cold front continuing to move southeast means those of you from San Antonio to the Brazos Valley, your high temperatures are going to be over the next couple of hours. Falling temperatures later this afternoon into this evening. Southeastern third of Texas, temperatures in the 80s this afternoon, falling quickly as the cold front arrives tonight with those northerly winds. Here's a better look at what temperatures will really be as we get into Friday. Temperatures across the state, upper 40s across the Guadalupe Mountains, maybe not even getting out of the 30s. Way up there in the Guadalupe Mountains on the Texas-New Mexico border, all the way down through Alpine, the Davis Mountains, the Trans-Pecos. A cold day. Otherwise, temperatures making it into the 50s across West Texas, the Hill Country, parts of the Arklatex. Otherwise, 60s across the state. So it's not a big-time Arctic cold front, but it will definitely be a return to November weather, and still a 30 to 40 degree drop in temperatures for some folks that were in the 90s yesterday. So we head into Saturday, high temperatures across the state, 50s and 60s, pretty nice for mid-November. As we head into Sunday, we warm it up a bit, 60s to lower 70s across the state. Hey, that's pretty darn nice, with rain chances continuing along the upper, well, pretty much the Texas Gulf Coast. It may be kind of dry in the morning hours, with rain chances increasing again by Sunday night. And then on Monday, you can see a bit of a cool down across southwest Texas, far west Texas, with with 50s in the higher terrain, otherwise 60s to low 70s across the state. As always, you can get your local weather forecast in the free Texas Storm Chasers mobile app. Free weather, or free, well, I mean, yeah, it is free. Free interactive weather radars, your local weather forecast, these daily Texas weather roundups, and of course, storm chasing video. We'll keep an eye on things here. No severe storms expected today, thankfully. And as always, keep an eye on the sky. We'll talk to you all again tomorrow morning. Have a good one. God bless.